Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So please ignore the dog. I cannot make him stop, so he will just be barking all the way. And today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi week's strawberry latte mega using one of our printable kits called Ombre Sunset. And if you'd like to see what happens in the end, how my spread looks like, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and show you what you have in your printable. I printed this out on a A4 sheet. This is our photo white paper, so it is completely stunning. And what you do get are two kits. They are slightly different from each other in terms of colors. It's more apparent with the other kit that I have. So for example, this is Spring is Coming, and this is the printable that I used in the last plan with me that you saw in this channel. So here you have color blocking, and it's different for the one that I used. For example, this one uses yellow and purple, and the one that I used in the last plan with me uses pink and purple. So today we are going to use this. Okay, so when you get this, because you have two kits and I'm using this scissors, it's nothing fancy, you can cut it in the middle. That's how I intended it to be used, to cut it in the middle so you can save the other half for a different spread. Now for Ombre Sunset in particular, it looks very similar. So my suggestion is to save it for a week far ahead. I mean, far away from when you used it last. But if orange is your favorite and you really like it, you can use it the next week also, of course. Now I'm going to use this side of the kit. So when I'm cutting, what I do is I just remove the excess paper all around because they are all aligned. Last time I did that and was left with this part. What I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to cut off this side, which is your bottom bars. And they are the same length, so you can use it for the left, for the right, whenever or wherever you would like. Oh, I didn't cut that very nicely. This is easier if you have a cutter, a paper cutter. Actually, let me go ahead and grab my paper cutter right now. So I have a Fiskars paper cutter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out. Right. So I have cut off that side, and now I'm gonna just cut off the excess all around. So because they are aligned, it's very easy to cut off the excess sticker. And okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. So all of that side is good. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Oh no, let's do this side. So good thing about this cutter, this is my favorite cutter. The only cutter that I have. And the only cutter that I have because I didn't feel the need to get a new one. Because this one works so well. So it's just one. This is a really big one too, if you like. There's like a smaller version of this, I believe. And my blade is really dull by now because I've used it for so long. Okay, that didn't quite work because my blade is not very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it using scissors. Oh, sorry, but you get the idea. I should change blades. I just don't have extra blades right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this. So I have all of the bottom bars. Last time I didn't cut it completely before I started. Today I'm going to do it differently because, well, the bottom bars, definitely. Maybe the other stickers. Maybe not. Okay, so that's out. Just going to use the paper cutter to remove the excess stickers. Then I'm going back to my scissors. Excess paper, I guess, is how I should call it. So the printable comes in PDF form, so that if you have a PDF reader, you can just open it there and then hit print. And it's very easy. you guys. It's so easy, so quick. I didn't make, sorry, because that's so dull. Just gonna not do that. I'm still gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna take this away because this needs a new blade, but I haven't got that. Okay, and we're back cutting. I'm sorry for this sadness. So I'm just going to take off the side because it's difficult to, well, not difficult, but it takes a long time to cut it because it's such a long sticker. A long time compared to the others, I should say. And I really, really love this scissors. This is my favorite scissors. You've seen this in my Instagram. If you haven't followed my Instagram, it is paperjoyph. There you go. So I have all of these stickers to play with. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my Hobonichi weeks. If this is the first time in my channel, your first time in my channel, this is the Hobonichi week strawberry latte mega weeks. And if this is the first time also, then you probably don't know that in my notes pages of my mega weeks, so mega weeks have a lot more notes pages than a regular weeks. So this has become my secondary weeks. So I'm using 2 weeks in 1 mega weeks. And that is super fun. So far, so good. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to take this away and put it at the back. So this is what we have. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put this up at the top. And then I'm going to take this strip. It will not. I love how ombre this is. Stunning. Stunning. Of course, that'll depend on the paper that you're using. The paper that I'm using, I find out, is the best for felt tip pens. And I'm so obsessed with felt tip pens at the moment. And it's like a nice coincidence. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. This is the date covers originally, but since there's no dates here, this is going to serve as my, well, dates. So I'm just going to flip this and I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. I know this is bother you a little bit. Okay, I'm going to cut off that little piece. I'm going to cut off that little piece if it will be cut off. Okay, yes it will. Okay, just don't mind that. I know it's annoying. Here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my bottom bars. One bottom bar goes at the top, and then another bottom bar. So this is a much softer orange. Let's do much stickers. Hang on. I'm just gonna put this on my hand, and then I'm gonna cut this out. So this is a single box, and a lot of the stickers here are actually created for the left page, but since we are just doing notes pages, it shouldn't matter. The reason also that I have 2 Hobonichi weeks in one is that I've always had more than 1 Hobonichi weeks. One of them is for my shop, so it's a shop planner, and the other one is my home planner as well as my other job planner. So that is what I do. I'm going to go ahead and scoot it like this so you can see and I can see. Just aligning this. There we go. So I have a little square there, and then I'm going to put this up here. Hang on. Perfect. Saturdays are releases anyways. And this is a shop planner. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out also. Okay. So let's go ahead and play with the vertical boxes. So you have double box vertical, double box horizontal, single box, checklist, and then weekend banner. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with our vertical. Of course, the good thing about printables is that you have the file forever. So when you purchase a printable, what's going to happen is that you will be able to download it within the site. There will be a clickable link once you check out, and also a link will be emailed to you and you can download it from there if you're like purchasing and you're not ready to use it yet. So that is what I did. So as you can see here, it fits all of these. So this is the Monday section and the Tuesday section, and they fit perfectly. And then I'm going to go ahead and take one of the horizontal double box. Here we go. So let's put it on Wednesday. Should we put it on Wednesday? Yeah. Because Wednesdays are usually just editing days. And I'm going to align it here. There we go. Okay, so this section is Wednesday. And then that's a vertical. I'm going to go ahead and grab these 4 checklists. These are going to be really long videos because I'm not really planning to edit much of the cutting out, so that you can see how I do it, how I cut it. Okay, so I have the circle and then the square will go next. And this is what we have so far, and I think I forgot to use my weekend banner, so let me go ahead and do that now. And then the weekend banner goes on both Saturday and Sunday. Oh, that's so perfect. Okay, because this is Saturday section, Sunday section. Perfect. Okay, I still have a few left, so I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Let's start with the vertical box. Let me just cut off the excess sticker paper. Okay, so I'm going to put this here at the side. Just pop it against the long sticker here. So that's one of my verticals. So I'm going to get the horizontal now. So just be very careful. You'll know if it's a horizontal or a vertical, especially if you're planning in the actual, not the notes pages, the actual weekly pages, because it doesn't fit. The vertical, if you put it horizontally, it doesn't fit into the lines. Oh, that's great. I love it. Okay. And then I'm going to use this last sticker, which is a single box. So by the way, all of these boxes and checklists were actually meant for the left page if I haven't said already. But I'm pretty sure I said that. No, actually, no, I'm not sure. I have no idea. Okay, I'm going to put this here. And our stickers are finished. So I'm going to go ahead and put pen to paper. And I will be right back. And we're back. So here is our spread right now. And it is really something else. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of orange, but this looks really, really good. So let me go ahead and show you or talk to you about what I did for the page. So I just darkened the lines here on the left side of the page using my Zig Mangaka 05 and my trusty old ruler. And then on the right side of the page, also for the scripts, I used the Mangaka Flexible, which is my favorite, my 2 favorite combos right now. There is another one. If I ever, or when I'm using this spread, I use this instead. This is the Marvy for Drawing 01. So I am into felt pens right now, and I'm very happy that I have found the photo white paper, because the photo white paper is perfect for felt tip pens. It's just so smooth. So for this side of the page, so I put next week here. So this is going to be where next week tasks will be. This is the this week. And then I have a tracker here for all of my social media and then my design. I haven't been very good with keeping up with design right now because the printables were released on Wednesday. It's just all over the place. But I am going to fix that. By February, it will be fixed because we're trying to figure out what is the best schedule right now because the new semester has started and I have school to do, etc., etc. So all of those. So currently this is my tracker, and then I have like a vertical view of the week, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to write like this and just write down important things that have happened or needed to happen for that week. Because mostly these are like little things that, you know, I needed to do for the shop, as this is my shop planner. Like check Cameo files, download video off G Drive, whatever. Okay, so those are tiny things, and those all go in here. And these are like the today I filmed, so that entire thing goes here. Okay, and then I have goals and I have ideas and just a bunch of notes pages sectioned off. This is a notes, different topic up here also. And then for this, I'm not really sure what this is going to be for, so make sure to check out my Instagram, paperjoyph, to find out how this spread turned out. So that's it for us today. Once again, if you'd like to get some of the printables that I have used today, it is from my shop, paperjoyph.com. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like some more planner videos using my Hobonichi Weeks books, Weeks and Cousin, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post videos, because right now I do not know, or I have no schedule at all. I just do things when I have time. It's really crazy right now. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!